New Grok 4.3 just came out, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to get it for free, and I'm also gonna put it through the test. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss the next videos, and the most important, join our free AI newsletter where you'll get the latest AI news and AI tools. And if you join right now, you'll get the 20 AI tools to use in 2026. The link is in the description. Let's start. As you know, if you try to go on Grok.com and use the new Grok 4.3, you won't be able to do it because you have to pay the subscription. But I have a way to use Grok 4.3 for free. You need to go on arena.ai, and the first thing that you have to do is to create your account. You need to click right here on login, and then you can continue with Google or with your email and a password. I'm gonna continue with Google, and I'm now on arena.ai. Before we test Grok 4.3, there are a few features that you need to know. In the prompt bar, you can add files, you can do the web search, generate images, create code, and finally generate videos. And if you go right here on the different modes, there's a battle mode, the side-by-side, and the direct. For the battle mode, it's two anonymous models. For the side-by-side, you compare two models that you choose. And finally, for the direct, it's only one model that you choose. I'm gonna select the direct, and now I can choose the model that I want to use. As you see, there's many models for the text, the code, the image, and finally the web search. I'm gonna stay on the text section, and I'm gonna put in the search bar Grok. And I have to scroll down, and as you can see, there is Grok 4.3. You just have to click on it, and now you can put your prompt. For the first example, I'm gonna test Grok 4.3's level in coding. I'm gonna say, create a simple playable browser game similar to the Chrome Dino using only HTML. And I'm gonna click on generate. As you can see, it's now using Grok 4.3 and the AI is thinking. And now it's generating the entire code. The code is done, and I'm gonna copy the code right here. And I'm gonna run the HTML code. I just pasted the code and I'm gonna click on run. So as you can see, the game works, but you can do way more advanced code with Grok 4.3. I'm back on arena.ai, and I'm still gonna select the direct and choose Grok 4.3. And now for the second example, I'm gonna test the web search. My prompt says, explain the key innovations of Grok 4.3 release, and I'm gonna click on the search. As you can see, the web search is now on, and I'm gonna click on generate. And right here, Grok 4.3 is searching the web to answer our prompt. Grok 4.3 is now done answering the prompt. And if we click right here, we have all of the sources that Grok 4.3 used to answer us. So it says that Grok 4.3 is XAI's next model after Grok 4.2. So it answered us, and it gave us many different information about Grok 4.3 new model. And I asked to compare it with GPT-5. And so we have the difference between the context, the pricing, the benchmarks, and many more. And finally, it gave us a summary of the comparison. And finally, the last example of Grok 4.3's capabilities. So my prompt is explain quantum physics to a beginner. This test is made to see if Grok 4.3 is able to explain this topic in an easy way. And so I'm gonna click on generate. So we have the initial explanation, we have the critique, and finally the rewritten clearer version. As you can see, Grok 4.3 is very good to do the web search and go through many websites to search the information that you need. So this is everything I've asked for. As you can see, Grok 4.3 is very good to code, to solve complex problems, analyze information, and doing the web search. You normally have to pay to use Grok 4.3, but with arena.ai, it's completely free, and you have many different features that you can use. Join our free AI newsletter where you'll get the latest AI news and AI tools. And if you join right now, you'll get the 20 AI tools to use in 2026. Tell me in the comments what you think about Grok 4.3. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.